We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone alarm sound too low or silent. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you've tried to go and set an alarm, and perhaps it went off and you found that the sound is way too low, or maybe even found that it's pretty much silent. We're going to guide you through how you can go and fix this, because this can be really annoying because it means you can go and end up missing your alarm and missing what it was for. Perhaps it was waking up, or maybe it was for a reminder. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this so you're making sure the alarm is loud. Make sure this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. What you want to do first of all is go and find the clock app. You can go and start creating your alarm or editing an existing one. Go and tap on it. What you want to do is go and tap sound. Make sure a sound is selected. If it's set to none, that's why it's silent and not working. So make sure you go and set sound there. Then what you can do is, of course, make sure it's turned on, of course. Now, the next thing we need to go and do is you want to come into your settings. You're going to be at the top here. What you need to do is go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for sounds and haptics. Now, this is the volume control. You don't go and you use this control. We're going to set the ringtone alerts here. So what you can do is you can go and drag this all the way up. That's going to be really loud, of course. You may want to have yours a bit quieter. And what I like to do is go and turn off change your buttons as well. So now that you've gone and done this, hopefully the alarm is now going to go and not be silent, and it's going to go and be louder and not too quiet. The next thing you can try doing is you want to go down, you can find the option for Face ID and passcode, and you can go and tap there. I'll need to go and enter in my passcode. What we can then do is go and scroll down, and you can go and turn off attention aware features. What this can do is go and lower the volume of alerts. So I recommend having that turned off, as otherwise that can go and happen, making you find that it is almost silent or it's too quiet. Hopefully with the help of this video, the problem's solved.